Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to JO1, and this is their Monstar performance video. So I don't think I've reacted to this one, so let's get into these boys. Yes. I'm the one. 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 Oh, that was nice. Okay. Oh, they got so much. They got really good. Giving me the schoolboy tease. Come on, JO1. Monstar. I'm the one. 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 Oh, that was good. They better use that light and hit all their faces. I'm a monster. I'm a monster. Monster. I'm the one. What? I'm the one. Oh, not that body roll. Monstar. Monstar. I'm the one. I'm the one. I'm the one. I'm the one. Monstar. Oh yes. I'm the one. I'm the monster. Come through. Oh, that was so smooth, JO1 Monstar performance video. That was so smooth. Oh my god. I think this is the same group that also sing the song Oh, eh, oh, eh, oh. I think this is the same group who sing that. That was, oh my god, I love it. I love it. Thanks to the one who recommended me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. I really do like that one. Oh my god, it got so good. That was so good. Oh my god. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.